Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to combine multiple Excel workbooks into a single file. Now open a blank Excel file, go to Data tab, and on the Data ribbon, you should see a Get and Transform group now. I am going to click on Get Data from File and choose from Folder. The reason I am choosing from File is because I have a folder where all of the workbooks that I want to combine together are stored, so I'll select the folder and open it. Look, Excel has identified all 3 workbooks that are in that folder. Now I go down here to Compile, and I can select Compile and Load. There are other options that work well that you could try. Now I'm going to select Sheet 1 as my parameter, and then I'll click OK and Excel. Now is working to basically from each of the workbooks. Look here, I get a nice Queries and Connections panel, here at the right. But I'm going to close it out. And now let's take a look at what we have. We have table data from business customer and employee all combined together. You can also select different themes for table. Now again, I'm going to open new blank file to check other options. Same steps, go to Data. Get data from File from Folder, choose the folder, open it up. Another thing you can try is instead of Combine and Load, you can Combine and Load to now select a parameter. Click OK by choosing Combine and Load to. I get some other options. I could combine and load this data into a table, or load it to a pivot table, report a pivot chart, or only create a connection between these workbooks. I'm going select the data into a pivot chart in the existing worksheet and click OK. Now it tells me to select the data here, so I do and get a pivot chart. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please comment down below us and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.